Have you ever wondered if animals have superpowers? Picture for a moment a world where creatures possess abilities beyond our wildest dreams. This is not a tale from a comic book but a journey into the magic of Mother Nature herself. We are about to embark on a countdown of 10 incredible animals, each with its own astonishing superpower. From the depths of the ocean to the skies above, these real-life superheroes exist among us. Let's dive into the world of animal superpowers, starting with number 10. At number 10, we have the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. Now when you hear the term immortal, you might be picturing a creature that's been around since the dawn of time, but it's not quite like that. The immortality of this jellyfish is a little more scientific. Where most creatures age and eventually pass away, the Turritopsis dohrnii takes a different approach. When it's faced with stress, physical damage, or even the natural process of aging, it can revert its own cells back to their earliest form. It's like hitting the reset button on life. These cells then grow anew, creating a younger version of the jellyfish. It's a continuous cycle of rebirth, making the Turritopsis dohrnii potentially immortal. It's an incredible adaptation, a testament to the wonders of evolution. Imagine being able to start life anew just like this jellyfish. A second chance at life over and over again. Now that's a superpower. Coming in at number 9, we have the electric eel. Now, this is not your typical eel. The electric eel is a shocking addition to our list, and quite literally so. It has a unique ability, one that truly sets it apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. This extraordinary creature is capable of generating electric shocks, and we're not talking about a minor jolt here. No, the electric eel can produce a staggering 600 volts. Imagine this. You're a fish swimming in the Amazon River. Out of nowhere, a shock of 600 volts courses through the water. That's the power of an electric eel. It uses this electric shock to stun its prey, immobilizing them in an instant. But it's not just about hunting. This electrical superpower also serves as a deterrent for any would-be predators. This eel is certainly electrifying, isn't it? At number 8, we have the fascinating axolotl. This intriguing creature is a master of regeneration, boasting an ability that is nothing short of extraordinary. Found primarily in the remnants of Xochimilco, a system of lakes and canals near Mexico City, the axolotl is a type of salamander that never undergoes a complete metamorphosis from its larval form. But that's not the most impressive thing about it. The axolotl possesses the incredible ability to regenerate not just its limbs but also its spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. That's right, if an axolotl loses a limb, it simply grows it back, good as new. This phenomenal regenerative capacity is unrivaled in the animal kingdom. Scientists are studying the axolotl in an attempt to understand its unique regenerative powers, with hopes of potentially applying these findings to human medicine. Now wouldn't that be something? Imagine if humans could regenerate like an axolotl. Number 7 on our list is the explosive bombardier beetle. This tiny titan is a marvel of nature's chemistry lab. When faced with danger, it mixes chemicals in its specialized abdomen to create a boiling hot toxic liquid. This isn't any old bug juice, folks. We're talking about a substance so hot it's almost the temperature of boiling water. And the beetle doesn't just drip this concoction, it sprays it in a rapid-fire fashion, right at its attackers. Imagine a super soaker filled with piping hot coffee. You wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that, would you? This ability not only deters predators but also gives the beetle time to make a swift getaway. So, while it may not be the biggest or strongest creature in the animal kingdom, the bombardier beetle holds its own with a defense mechanism that's truly explosive. This beetle certainly knows how to make a hot exit. At number 6 we have the colorful and deadly mantis shrimp. Don't let its vibrant hues fool you. The mantis shrimp is a formidable predator. It can launch its claw at its prey with the speed of a bullet, reaching an acceleration of 68 miles per hour in less than 0.003 of a second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. This punch is so powerful, it can break glass aquarium walls. But the mantis shrimp's superpowers aren't limited to its incredible strength. It also has one of the most advanced visual systems in the animal kingdom. It can see a spectrum of color far beyond human capability, including ultraviolet light. This sophisticated eyesight helps them communicate, find food, and avoid predators. So, while they may be small in size, mantis shrimps are super in every sense of the word. With their bullet-speed punches and extraordinary vision, they are truly a marvel of the natural world. This shrimp might be small but it packs a powerful punch. Coming in at number 5, we have the seemingly indestructible tardigrade. This pint-sized powerhouse, often referred to as a water bear or moss piglet, is no larger than a speck of dust. However, Don't let its small size fool you. The tardigrade is one of the most resilient creatures on planet Earth and beyond. Tardigrades are known to survive in the most inhospitable environments. From the deepest trenches of the ocean, to the harshest deserts, and even the vacuum of outer space, these hardy creatures prove that size truly doesn't matter when it comes to survival. They can withstand temperatures as low as -270 degrees Celsius, and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. Tardigrades have even been found living on top of the Himalayas and deep under layers of solid ice. They can go without food or water for more than 30 years, reducing their metabolic activity to an astounding 0.01% of normal levels. The tardigrade, a tiny creature with an enormous will to live. At number 4, we present the loud and shocking pistol shrimp. This small but mighty marine creature is renowned for its incredible defense mechanism. Using its oversized claw, the pistol shrimp can create a high-pressure bubble that, when it collapses, generates a sound louder than a jet engine. Can you believe it? A shrimp that can hold its own against the roar of a commercial airliner. But that's not all. The collapse of this bubble is so powerful that it momentarily reaches temperatures as hot as the sun. Yes, you heard it right. This tiny shrimp can produce a bubble that gets as hot as the surface of the sun, right here in our earthly oceans. It's like having a miniature star at the tip of its claw. This shrimp's snap is not only a defense mechanism but also a way to stun its prey, making the pistol shrimp a formidable hunter. This shrimp has a snap that could rival a rock concert. Soaring into number 3, we have the fastest animal on Earth, the peregrine falcon. This bird isn't just fast, it's lightning fast. Renowned for its speed and power, the peregrine falcon is a force to be reckoned with. Now imagine this. You're a bird, gliding along, minding your own business. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a peregrine falcon swoops down towards you at a staggering speed exceeding 240 miles per hour. This high-speed dive, known as the falcon's hunting stoop, is what makes the peregrine falcon truly exceptional. The falcon uses its incredible speed to catch its prey mid-flight, often with a surprise attack from above. It's a sight that leaves spectators in awe and definitely not one a prey bird ever wants to see. The peregrine falcon's superpower isn't just its speed, but the precision and control it maintains while in these high-speed pursuits. This falcon truly takes speed to new heights. At number 2, we have the master of disguise, the mimic octopus. This crafty cephalopod is no ordinary octopus. It possesses an extraordinary superpower that sets it apart from the rest of the animal kingdom, the ability to mimic various marine species. How does it do it? It's all thanks to its remarkable control over its muscles, skin, and color. Imagine having the power to transform into any creature you've encountered. That's the daily life of a mimic octopus. It can convincingly imitate more than 15 different species, including sea snakes, lionfish, and flatfish, to name a few. It uses this ability to elude or frighten predators. If a predator approaches, it might transform into a venomous sea snake or a deadly lionfish, effectively scaring off the threat. This isn't just a simple change of color or pattern. The mimic octopus contorts its body, changes its behavior, and even mimics the speed of whatever creature it's impersonating. The mimic octopus, a true shapeshifter of the sea. And finally, at number 1, we have the astonishing lyrebird. This remarkable creature is a master impersonator, capable of mimicking an array of sounds from its environment. You see, the lyrebird, native to Australia, is not your average songbird. It goes beyond copying the sweet melodies of other birds. It can accurately mimic the sound of a chainsaw cutting through wood, a car alarm going off, or even a camera shutter clicking. The lyrebird's complex vocal cords allow it to reproduce these sounds with an accuracy that is simply uncanny. But what's truly fascinating is not just the lyrebird's ability to mimic, but the purpose behind this mimicry. For male lyrebirds, it's a performance, a display of their versatility in order to attract a mate. The more diverse and complex the sounds a male can produce, the more appealing he is to the females. And it's not just about wooing a mate. These extraordinary birds also use their mimicry skills as a defense mechanism. By imitating the calls of predatory birds, they can deter potential threats. It's a survival tactic born out of the need to live another day in the wild. So next time you hear a chainsaw in the Australian bush, take a moment. It might not be a lumberjack at work, but a lyrebird singing its heart out. The lyrebird, the perfect example of nature's mimicry at its finest. From the immortal jellyfish to the mimicking lyrebird, nature certainly has its ways of surprising us. The jellyfish's endless lifespan, the electric eel's shocking abilities, the axolotl's regenerative powers, the beetle's fiery defense, the mantis shrimp's speed, the tardigrade's resilience, the pistol shrimp's explosive snap, the falcon's swift dive, the octopus's masterful disguise, and the lyrebird's sound mimicry. All are testament to nature's awe-inspiring creativity. In the vast expanse of the animal kingdom, these are just a few examples of nature's superheroes. Who knows what other superpowers are waiting to be discovered?